Afternoon gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin right now holding 68,300, spiked all the way to 69,500 this morning, then head and shoulder a little bit and pulled back to 68,200. Big volume coming in the last few hours. This was the weekend volume, then you see this huge spike. Join us in the guru chat. Everyone try to speak English in here so we can all communicate together. There's 500 of you or 400 of you online right now. 2.47 trillion market cap. The crypto market, 356,000 viewers. You can set this up as well on your TV, bitcoinprice.live. 60k bonus when you sign up with Bybit, and there's a $10 million World Series of Trading. 72 greed. Greed is almost maxed out. We're almost going into very greed. 53% dominance. Funding fee is positive 68,300. Huge volume. We're going to jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my $700,000 account. I'm going to show you my Bitcoin trade. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Actually, let's check my account first. Right now, my account is 723,000, which is beautiful from this week, up from 690 something, so around $30,000 this week. And you can see I'm VIP level 3 for trading. I want to click the first 696, yeah, so about $30,000 this week. My Bitcoin trade, $33,000 in the profits for Bitcoin. I opened it at 60k and now it's 68k. Paid $800 in fees. The funding fee right now is positive, and you can see where I opened my Bitcoin trade down here at the bottom, which was beautiful. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin now. The market's slightly down. Bitcoin sell-off. World is down 4%. Sui, Uniswap down a little bit. Doge is up 2%. Magic MCRT is 0.7. XRP 1.3. We'll go into Bitcoin. I'm going to do Bitcoin and Tesla and then read your questions. The weekly candle finished today, and we broke above. We're trying to hold on top of this big bull flag. As I teach you in the Crypto Master Course, you can learn these technical patterns. This is a huge bull flag and a descending broadening wedge, which builds pressure and breaks outwards. My targets are 88k and 100k for the bigger pattern. We also have a cup and handle. Stochastic is overbought on the weekly. I did the Crypto Guru bot and the Bitcoin indicator bots. Both are fired buys. You get them in the jamescryptoguru.com and the Crypto Master Course. They both fired buyers. So both indicator bots are both saying buy. Let's go into buy signals. Let's go into the daily. Stochastic quite overbought, turning down. It's at this big resistance. You can see this resistance line. Now, two things. This has been channeling since March. Now, are we going to break out here? Or are we going to get rejected and come back down again? That is the big question. Right now, a lot of patterns are showing breakout. We've got this big inverse head and shoulders. We have these bigger patterns. Let's go into the 4-hourly. 4-hourly is just making higher highs and climbing. No real pattern on the 4-hourly. I would still keep the same trade, 66,500, stop loss 65,400, risking 1,000, take profit 100k, risking 1,000 per Bitcoin to make $34,000 with no leverage. So I risk 1,000 to make 34,000. No leverage, 10x leverage will be 340,000. This is the trade. 66,500 is where it opens. You learn how to read my trade entries and how to execute them in the Crypto Master Course and the Stock Guru Master Course. Let's go into Bybit. I want to see what's going to make me the most money. So I'm 140k in here, cash, 45k cash, 537, 123k Bitcoin. Doge 64, World 51, Uni pumped and then pulled back. Oh, still up a bit. Let's check out Doge and Tesla, because Doge is my biggest holding. Up 2% Doge. It's still pushing out higher highs. Broke out of this resistance. You can see this bigger pattern that Doge is forming on this this descending. This descending wedge. Wait, if I go out into the monthly, you can see it more clearly. So we've got this huge symmetrical triangle that's been building for 4 years on Doge. Going back to 2020, builds pressure and breaks out the base, target 45 cents. And then we've got this smaller one. When we zoom in, you can see this smaller descending triangle. Two big patterns that are playing out on Doge right now. And if that breaks out, the base of this one, take us to 21 cents, which will be beautiful. Let's go closer, see if there's where I would get an entry. Yeah, I would keep the same entry on support, 13 cents. Stop loss 12.7. Take profit 45 cents. This is the trade I'll take on Doge. Let's go into Tesla. Tesla's my biggest holding. We were buying it at 141. Going on to the weekly charts, We've got massive symmetrical triangle also on Tesla. So Tesla and Doge, both the same pattern. This triangle trend line goes back to 2019. Same here, builds pressure and breaks out the base of the triangle, which would target $600. And you can see Tesla tried to break out, double topped, and came back in on the failed announcement of the Tesla Robo Day. Not failed, but people just didn't understand what Elon was building. Big support is right now, actually. There could be one at 200. It is possible that we pull back to 160, but very unlikely. More likely it comes to 200, bounces, and then we break out of this huge symmetrical triangle, which lines up, which is interesting, which lines up with the Tesla, which is amazing. It lines up with all this Tesla and Elon Musk, with Donald Trump and the election, which is very interesting. Let's go into your questions. Leverage 10x Doge to $1, I believe. 45 cents is my target. Brother James, I was kicked off Telegram 2 years ago for swearing. Can I come back on, please, sir? Yes. Message me at contact@jamescryptoguru.com and the team will do that. Bro is spot on all the time. Thank you, Loud. Congratulations. Please take a look at ICP. Let's do it. ICP, and then I'll finish up the video. ICP, Internet Computer. It was a very big token in 2020. I can't remember. Remember this token? It opened like crazy. It went all the way. It opened in the middle of the bull market. Went to like $3,000. Then came all the way back down, all the way to $8. Look at that. The low was $3. Now we're on $8. That was the low in 2023 September. Big support is here, $6. So if you're going to try and get in, but there is a pattern forming here on ICP. This one, it's a symmetrical triangle, I see. And then we measure the base. Learn from me. If you're skeptical, watch my videos for free till you learn that I'm showing you real amazing stuff for free on these videos every day. $13 if it breaks out of this symmetrical triangle. So it is an entry possible from this support here. But best entry would be at $6. But this is a potential entry with this target resistance, and it lines up with this resistance, $14. But everyone, you have to do your own due diligence. None of this is financial advice. These are the trades I would take. Join us in Telegram. 554 of you online right now. Sharing. ApeCoin is pumping up 25% and 100% yesterday. ApeCoin, people sharing their trades. You can join them in the chat and share charts, discuss together. Keep it all in English, everyone. And again, all the links are down below. Sign up to World Series of Trading with Bybit, $60,000 bonus and $10 million prize pools for the World Series of Trading. $3,000 bonus on CoinW, and jamescryptoguru.com for the Telegram and for the courses. Love you all. Have an amazing day. That's my updates in the market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you have any requests, let me know in the comment section. Have a great day. Let's see how Bitcoin, it's very important to see. Bitcoin isn't pulling back at all, but when the ETFs open in a few hours, it's going to be very interesting to see how Bitcoin reacts. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.